The Heck Trace-A-Punch nibblers are designed for short to medium run production and prototype parts. These machines will save both time and money over sawing and filing blanks, punch press tooling, CNC program time, and expensive turret punch tooling. Capacities are from 2/1000 to 3/16 metal or plastics. The frame of the machine is machined from a high-quality meionite casting to provide years and years of service. The Trace-A-Punch uses standard punches and dies, round or square, in a variety of sizes. The punch hits the material at 27 strokes per second to produce a clean, burr-free, continuous line cut. Secondary cleanup is often not required. By tracing the edge of a template, you can duplicate part after part. A template can easily be made from plastic, masonite, metal, or rigid cardboard. Most office copiers will copy onto thin mylar, which can be cut with scissors or a razor for a fast template. For production cutting, the master template should be 14 to 10 gauge steel. The template is secured to the material with clamps, double-faced tape, or pins. The stroke of the machine is constant. Raise or lower the bottom die retainer for single material thickness. The template is guided off the side of the punch. Duplicating 1:1, a tolerance of 2/1000 can be held on light gauge material. Lower the stripper to touch the template. A feed rate of 30 to 40 inches per minute will produce a clean cut. For light trimming, the stripper is not required. Swing the stripper to the side. Rough out scrap by making several passes, allowing enough material for a final finish cut. For inside cuts, a pilot or starting hole is needed for work over 16 gauge. Either slide one part in at a time or lower the die retainer and reposition. The Trace-A-Punch can also be used freehand. Simply position the stripper slightly lower than the punch and adjust the die retainer for material thickness. Circles or rings can be cut using a template or the circle cutting attachment. A 1/8 inch hole is required in the center as a pivot point. For formed parts, such as this stamping, we will use the form as a guide. Punches and dies are easily changed. To sharpen, simply grind flat surfaces. Punches are available in M2, M4 high-speed steel, and carbide. The Model 4 features a 16-inch throat. You can work to the center of a 32-inch part for inside cutouts. The Model 4 also features a 3/16 material capacity. Another model is available for tubing. The Model TB400 uses interchangeable anvils to work tubing and pipe from 3/4 inch ID and larger, ideal for making irregular end preparations. The Model 3C features a 6 3/4 inch throat and a 1/8 inch cutting capacity. The 1.5 horsepower 110 volt motor can be used anywhere in the shop. The Trace-A-Punch has been used for years by a wide variety of industries for many uses. From prototype samples of auto parts, aircraft, appliances, die shims and stamping plants, engraved plaques and awards, instrument panel cutouts, production trimming of auto bumpers, running boards, oil pans, and mufflers, duplicating antique auto and aircraft parts, custom light fixtures, fireplace inserts, sign lettering, paint templates, grinding and turning templates, wire screen parts, machine guards, tensile test samples, even jewelers and silversmiths.